The life sciences sector is currently undergoing major changes as serialization of medicines is introduced, enabling compliance with a wide range of global legislations. As you can imagine, this change has prompted many challenges, and at customer visits and industry conferences, I am asked the same questions again. How to reduce rejection rates, how to maintain OEE levels, and how to ensure long-term code quality, to name but a few. Domino has been working closely with all major OEMs to ensure its printers handle the serial numbers correctly, ruling out duplicates, even at the highest production speeds. We understand the importance of GAMP and provide validation packs with all our coding equipment. Domino also has its own ink development and fluid factories and can guarantee long-term ink contrast and light fastness, vital for pack authentication at the point of dispense. Don't forget that any serialization system is only as good as its worst part. Domino makes sure its pharma coding solutions have been developed and extensively tested to ensure your company's and patient safety.